Hello! So, share ko lang, no? Katatapos ko lang mag-policy review with one of my existing clients at isa sa mga napag-usapan namin ay ang retirement planning. So, naisip ko, share ko din sa inyo paano ko ba kinakalculate ang retirement fund na kailangan ng clients ko. But before that, I'd like to mention, I always recommend before preparing for long-term financial goals like retirement fund, dapat meron muna tayong solid protection benefit. Dapat meron muna tayong adequate life insurance coverage and critical illness coverage. Pag okay na yan, then we can start computing for the retirement goal. Yan. So, quick background. Si client, currently 35 years old, and sabi niya sa akin gusto niya mag-retire at age 65. So, kung magre-retire siya ng age 65, meron pa kaming 30 years to prepare. So, mukhang mahaba pa, mukhang matagal pa. It's always recommended na mag-start tayo ng mas maaga para madali nating ma-achieve yung financial goal natin. Right now, 80 years old ang life expectancy dito sa Pilipinas. So this client, kailangan niya ng retirement fund for the next 15 years. Sabi niya sa akin, gusto niya makareceive ng 50,000 monthly allowance sa buong retirement age niya. And right now, meron na siyang savings na 500,000 pesos. So, this client, kailangan niya ng 9 million, pero since meron na siyang savings, 8.5 na lang yung kailangan niyang ipunin from today hanggang age of retirement. Ibig sabihin, kailangan niyang mag-ipon ng 23,000 monthly. So, ganun kalaki. But again, we have to factor in or we have to consider yung inflation rate or inflation. Kasi, yung 50,000 right now is not the same 50,000 30 years from now. So, if we will factor in yung 6% na average na inflation, ibig sabihin, this client, kailangan niya talaga ng 51 million pesos pagdating niya ng retirement para ma-enjoy niya yung retirement years niya. Sobrang laki. So, ibig sabihin, ngayon pa lang dapat itong client na to, nag-iipon na siya ng 142,000 pesos monthly for the next 30 years para meron siyang 51 million pesos. So, ganun kalaki yung kailangan ng client na to. So, imagine kung hindi pa siya magsisimula ngayon. So, what more yung kakailanganin niyang ipunin kapag dinelay niya pa yung pag-start ng retirement planning. So, kung ikaw, gusto mo rin ng personalized retirement fund or gusto mong malaman kung ano ba yung kailangan mong funds or amount needed pagdating mo ng retirement, feel free to message me. Planuhin natin yan and I'm more than happy to help you. So, since discuss ko na din yung retirement fund, try natin gawin siyang series. Sa next video ko, I'll talk naman about income protection. So, paano ba siya kinakalculate? Yun lang. Thank you and